Do you want to delete your WhatsApp group permanently? You can remove WhatsApp group chat with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp group permanently. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To delete a WhatsApp group permanently. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are on WhatsApp, you will see a list of chats you have made before. Now, find and open the group chat you want to delete. Make sure you are the admin of that group. You are now on the chat conversation screen. Tap on the group name at the top to open the group settings. Here, you will see various group chat settings. Scroll down to the group members section. You will see all the members of your group chat. Tap on a member's name and select Remove from the pop-up menu that appears. Repeat this process for all members until only you remain in the group. Once you have removed all members from the group, tap on Exit Group at the bottom of the screen. From the confirmation pop-up, select Exit. After you've exited the group, WhatsApp will give you the option to delete group. Tap on Delete Group and confirm by selecting Delete Group from the confirmation pop-up. Now, your WhatsApp group will be permanently deleted and no longer accessible.